Hi guys, today our 1-minute read is called Water Bugs, Aquatic Insects. This is passage 407. Many bugs that live in water are called water bugs. There are several kinds of water bugs. Water boatmen, back swimmers, and the giant water bug are 3 kinds of water bugs. When water bugs are first born, they live in the water. As they grow up, water bugs leave the water and fly around at night. However, they spend their days in the water. The giant water bug is the largest of the aquatic insects. It can be almost 3 inches in length. Most water bugs are good swimmers. The water boatman got its name because its back legs were made to help it swim in the water. When a water boatman swims, it looks like a man rowing a boat. The water boatman is the most common kind of water bug. The back swimmer looks like a water boatman. However, as the name implies, back swimmers swim on their backs. The water boatman does not. Water bugs eat other bugs and small fish. The water boatman eats very small animals and plants found in mud. Back swimmers eat dead animals that they find floating on the water. Giant water bugs are able to suck the juices from a frog. Many people do not care for water bugs. Water bugs are pests. They like light and swimming pools. When people are around water bugs, they can expect a big, painful bite.